hope you like that drone footage. That's a little teaser for a video I'm currently working on specifically for that video. So just throwing a teaser out there, and that's a video I plan on sharing later on this year, hopefully. Hi, hope you guys are doing well. It still feels awkward talking to a camera when no one else is in the room. I've been really excited for this video specifically because I've been sitting on the footage and the film photos for a very long time. Almost a month ago now, I went to California to second shoot a wedding for my friend Kyle, who is an incredible wedding photographer, but he brought me out there to second shoot for him, and Eric and Mike were doing video for the same client. So that's why we were out in California, and that kind of leads to why we ended up going to Yosemite. So because of that wedding, we thought to ourselves, why not stay out there a little longer and kind of hang out in Yosemite for a day after the wedding. Flew to San Francisco, went straight up a few hours north to our wedding, spent a couple days there, and then we started making our way down to Yosemite, and on the way there stopped by Gott's for lunch, which was so much fun. The food was so good. And then we stopped by a winery per Mike's suggestion, which was also really fun. And then after that, we made our way to Yosemite. So we booked an Airbnb just outside of the park, spent the night there. And then the game plan was to wake up I think we woke up at like 5 or 5:30. Our plan was to head right into the park to catch sunrise there at Glacier Point. I'm gonna let the B-roll footage take over now. I just wanted to give context as to why we were out in Yosemite. I photographed all the images that you're gonna see from me on my Leica M6 using Portrait 400. And I'm also gonna show the images taken from both Eric and Mike as well, who use their Leica M6's. Hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you after you see all this footage and the photos. Yes, see you soon.
Ooh, that's cool. With a little glow on your face, so cinematic.
Yosemite, let's go. Last frame, baby. Yeah.
Lighter. They don't call it light, they call it lighter. Come in the vlog.
How's your banana?
Kyle, have you ever been on the YouTubes?
No, I've never been on the YouTubes.
Well, now you are.
Welcome.
You got anything to say?
It's a dark place.
This banana is very, very moist. Is that gonna make the cut?
I tried. I'm gonna bounce him. Am I supposed to say something?
Hi again. Hope you enjoyed the photos. We had a blast out there. That was actually my first time seeing Yosemite, and it was a place, at least in North America, that I've been wanting to see for years, and to finally see it a couple months ago was incredible, and to also photograph it both on film with those guys specifically was incredibly memorable. It's a trip I'll never forget. We're also really close to 1,000 subscribers, which is really exciting. I appreciate the support. I appreciate you guys subscribing and liking the videos and leaving nice comments. And yeah, I have no intention of slowing down, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.